This video will show you how to properly format your paper in APA using Microsoft Word. Start by opening up a new blank Word document and then click on the Layout tab and then the Margins icon to ensure that the margins are set to 1 inch on each side. We are going to start by making our title page. The first thing we want to add is our header. Start by double-clicking the top of the blank Word document. This opens up a new tab along the top called the Header and Footer Tools. We want to make sure to select the Different First Page box. This allows us to have the header on our title page look different than the header on the rest of our document. To insert the page number, select the page number icon, then top of page, and select plain number 1. This next step is really important to complete in the correct order to ensure that your page number doesn't keep falling off the end of your page. Instead of tabbing over to get the page number over to the right-hand side of the page, we're actually going to type in our running head first. Make sure that your cursor is on the left-hand side of the page number, and then type the words running head with a colon, then a space. Now we want to type our abbreviated paper title in all caps. Now is when we want to use the Tab key on your keyboard to move the page number to about 1 inch away from the right side edge of the document. Now we need to make sure that our header is in the correct font and font size. Highlight your text and page number, then click on the Home tab. We can now change our font style to Times New Roman and the size to size 12. We can now click back on the Design tab and click the red X to close the header and footer tools. Next, we want to change the spacing of the document. In the Paragraph section of the Home tab, select the line spacing icon and then select line spacing options. Change the after spacing to 0 points and the line spacing to double. Select OK. Now that we are in the main body of our paper, instead of the header, we need to make sure that our font is selected to Times New Roman, size 12. Now we want to add the title to our document. Hit the Enter key 2 times on your keyboard. To center our title, we will select the center alignment in the paragraph area of the Home toolbar. Type the title of your paper, hit Enter on the keyboard, type your name, enter again. We type Rasmussen College, enter again, and now we need to include the course number and the course name. For example, if you were taking a nursing course, you would type NUR and the course number with a colon and then the name of the course. We hit the Enter key again, and now you type in your instructor's first and last name. Finally, we hit the Enter key one more time and type the date. You now have an APA formatted title page. After you have your formatted title page, you will want to select the Insert tab and add a page break. You should now be at the top of the second page of your paper. We now need to edit our header now that we're on the first page of the main body of our paper. So we double click in the header area of page number 2, and we need to add our page number. So again, we go to the page number icon, top of page, plain number 1. We now type the abbreviated title of our paper in all caps. This time you can see that we do not include the words running head in front of it. We can now hit our tab key 2 times to push the page number to the right-hand side of the page. We now can select all of the text in that header and go up to the Home tab and change our font style to Times New Roman, size 12. Click back on the Design tab to close the header and footer tools. Now we just need to type the full title of our paper at the top of the page. Hit the Enter key once, and then up in the Home tab, Paragraph area, select the Left Alignment button to move your cursor back to the left-hand side of the page. You are now ready to start typing the introduction to your paper. For help on this topic and more, check out our Answers database, where you can search our frequently asked questions or chat with a Rasmussen librarian.